Assalamu alaikum and good morning, everyone. Your Excellency, Mr. President Musa Bihi Abdi, and Your Excellency, President Dr. Abdirahman Abdullahi, President Irro. On behalf of the United States of America and President Joseph Biden and all of the American people, we want to extend to you our warmest congratulations on this event today. Your Excellencies, also on behalf, I've been asked to speak on behalf of the entire diplomatic service, diplomatic corps here in Somaliland. And I know and I can convey to you on their behalf, I am sure, their warmest congratulations as well. You have many friends in the international community. We were very attentive, very focused on the events of the last month, and we observed, I think, one of the best examples of democracy in action on November 13th. The people of Somaliland have given an example not only to this region, but to Africa and the world of a true democracy. We are truly proud to be your friend, your partner. We have been for a long, long time, not only the United States, but many other countries besides. And we will be by your side for the future. We want to work together with all of the parties and certainly the new administration under Dr. Irro. Please work with us, talk with us, tell us what your hopes and dreams are so that we can be part of your future as well. So I will be very short. Those were the words from President Biden and from the diplomatic corps. Congratulations to all of you. Thank you very much.